Hello everyone. Here are a and the. When do we use these articles in a sentence? Today we are going to learn about that. Hi, I am Tanvi Shah from Young Roots. We are learning articles. Article a and the. First, let us start with a and an. A and an comes after a non-specific item, or it is also called as an indefinite article. So you can use it when there is no specification of anything. And more specific, an is used after a vowel. So for example, an apple. She had an apple for her breakfast. An used for a vowel. And you use a for some object. For example, I need a pen. So you use a for that. So this is an indefinite articles. Whereas the is a definite article. It tells you, it specifies you for a particular thing. For example, the moon. Today the moon is beautiful. Or the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower. It's only one thing in the whole world. So you say the for that. And you use these things if you know that the person knows about that. For example, can you give me the pen which I had given you yesterday? So she knows about the pen which I am talking about. So that is why over there I can use the. Can you give me the pen which I gave you yesterday? So yesterday I had given her some pen, and today I'm asking her to give it back. So I tell her the pen. But when I say I am going to buy the pen, I'm not sure which pen I'm going to buy. So I can't use that. I'm going to buy a pen. Okay? But if I know which pen I'm going to buy from that shop, that time I use I'm going to that shop to buy the pen. I'm going to that shop to buy the pen. So I know which pen I am talking about. So this is a subjective one which knows, or it's very specified for where you are putting the word, the article the. And a and n is for indefinite article. And as I said, n is also used for your vowels, but it is also used for the vowel sound. Yes, you hear me correctly. An is used before a word which is making a vowel sound. For example, R. I will be an hour late. I will be an hour late. Okay, because R making the R sound. Okay, it is a vowel sound. So that is why you use an hour. I will come an hour later. Okay, that time you use an, and you will use a for the words like, yeah, give me a pen. Can I take a book of yours? Okay, that time you use a. But when you use a vowel, when there's a vowel or a vowel sound, that time you will use an. Okay, come on, let's do one quiz. Questions are going to flash on your screen. I will give you 3 seconds to think and then write. And over here, I will come to know whether you've understood the topic or not. First one. Dash sun rises in the east. Here is your 3 seconds. Dash sun rises in the east. Correct. The answer is the sun rises in the east. Second one. I brought dash new phone yesterday. 3 seconds. It can be I brought a new phone yesterday, or I brought the new phone yesterday. Last one. Dash Mona Lisa is dash famous painting. 3 seconds for you. Okay, the answer is the Mona Lisa is a famous painting. Okay. So hope everyone was solving the quiz with me. And if you still have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. We will come up with one more video for more clarity. Thank you for watching Young Roots. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye.